Hi, hello, namaste, Kemi, Tachan, Samaste, hello and welcome to my another blog, my friends, another new blog. And as you know that every single day I'm trying my level best, every single day I'm recording my videos in front of nature, my friends, because nature is the what we call. As you can see, every single day I'm trying my level best, my friends, and right now, as of now, whatever I have become, because of the English, my friends, whatever I have developed my confidence in front of people. And also today I'm going to share one important thing, because first time it was my first time, I speak in front of media, my friends. So also I'm very excited today I'm going to share. And so I hope you are going to cooperate with me, because every single day I record my videos and without edit, without cut, without add filter, my friends. Every single day I'm recording my videos in this way, my friends. So I hope you can see every single day I'm improving, every single day I'm learning something. Because if I do not record my videos, then how can I analyze my things, that how much I have improved a lot, how much I have developed my communication skill, how much I have developed my confidence and all, my friends. So without further ado, I want to convey my message that what should we learn from history, my friends? What should we learn from history? And I choose this topic, my friends. In this topic, I'll try my level best to explain, so that I'll be continue with speaking. Okay, in this way I choose topic and I try to speak. Okay, my friends. And also I want to add another point, that maintaining consistency is not a cup of tea for me, my friends, because every single day I'm trying my level best to record my videos and upload on social media, isn't it? So don't mind if I make mistake, pardon for that, apologize for that. Sometime I'm making mistake, I'm making mistake. So I have so many things missing in my communication skill, my friends. I hope you can see that how much I'm giving effort, right? So let's start, and I want to convey through my feelings, my experience. I'll share through my experience, so I'll connect with you with my history, my friends, with your history. Okay, so right now, as you can see, I'm standing in front of nature and I'm enjoying here. And many people that observe me, that actually what I'm doing, my villages, my in my societies, people that observe me, that actually what I'm doing. Because when we come here, this is the place, my friends. People, the open defecation means morattyag in what do we call in Hindi, I don't know, but it's English in open defecation, like it's a outside lettering, outside bathroom, you can say. It's a what should you do in village areas? We don't have proper hygiene, proper sanitations and all, so that's why people use this in nature, and it's a very fruitful also. So friends, what I want to convey, that what should we learn from history, my friends? Really, lots of things we have to learn, lots of things we are going to learn from history, lots of things we should learn from history, my friends. Every single when we speak in this way, we feel it becomes history. Suppose today I am speaking with this in front of camera, and it will become history if I move tomorrow, right? So in this way, every single I'm trying my level best. I hope you will cooperate with me, and my English is little bit very speed, but I'll try my level best to slow it down. So friends, what should you learn from history? Friends, yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery, today is present. That's why we call it is gift, my friends. Present is like a gift, so we have to use in a proper way, proper discipline, isn't it? Am I right or not? Let me proceed. So every single day when we learn something, when we grab something, it becomes history, it becomes past things become history, my friends. You know very well that, my friends, nowadays you can see every single day I'm speaking very confidently, energizedly, enthusiastically, just because of history, my friends. Just because of history, today I am in the present moment, and I'm speaking very confidently, effortlessly with this language, because of history, my friends. If I didn't follow the history, if I didn't follow the history, I think I wouldn't have here I would not have here, my friends. So history is really powerful teacher. History is powerful motivator, my friends. So when we learn something from history, it becomes very powerful motivators, my friends. So as of now, whatever I am right now, because of history, my friends, because of past, still I remember, man. Still I remember, my friends. Once upon a time, there was a day that I could not even able to make single sentences. I could not even speak single words, my friends. And because of I analyze the history and I analyze the past. Whatever I have made mistake in the past, and I analyze in the present moment. Every single I analyze in the present moment, and I try to find out the solutions through history, my friends. Exactly. And friends, in my life also, we have lots of problems. In your life, in my life, we have lots of problems. But hence, despite of lots of challenges, should we give up to learn this language? Should we give up to continue our journey? Should we give up to continue our learning process? Not at all, isn't it? So never ever lose our hope, never ever lose your motivation, because past is your very powerful motivator. They always guide you, they always give you the energetic, they always give you the stamina to keep continue your learning process, to keep continue your acquiring knowledge, my friends. So power, don't underestimate the history, don't underestimate your past, isn't it? Always remember, my friends, I'm not going to repeat all these things. One I said, my friends. So you can see, my friends, that compared to earlier days, if you can see my earlier videos, I have already uploaded on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You can see, I could not even able to speak in front of camera, my friends. I think past 2 months ago, last 3 months ago, I was able to speak. I was fumbling a lot. I was stucking. Meanwhile, when I speak, I forgot everything. Mind become blank. Mind become blank. Weak. I could not even thought single word. But you can see right now, effortlessly, confidently, I'm speaking in front of camera. Because of history, every single I speak at least 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, every single I try. That's why you can see I'm able to speak right now, my friends. So as when we belong to village areas, when we belong to tribal community, we face lots of challenges, my friends. We face lots of challenges, we face lots of obstacles in our life, but we should not give up, my friends. So in order to improve your language, in order to improve your lifestyle, in order to improve your each and everything, history is really important, my friends. History really matter must, isn't it? So mind, body and soul, I am dedicated to learn this language, my friends. Every single I am decorating myself, every single I am improving, right? And why I love to speak in front of camera, my friends, in this way. One second, my friends. When as you might be observing that last 2 to 3 months onwards, continuously I'm speaking from nature, because when I speak in from nature, I feel very energetic, my friends. And I consider these are the history that I should learn. My environment, my surrounding, my nature, these are the history, my friends. Lots of incidents happened in this nature, my friends. We should learn something. We should learn from tree, we should learn from nature, we should learn from grass, we should learn from shrubs, my friends. Whatever it is possible, we have to learn, we have to grab it every single day, my friends, isn't it? So I hope you understood all the things that what I want to convey through these videos, my friends. And friends, at the last moment, and if you really like my videos, feel free to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And see you tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to make another interesting vlog, my friends. Okay, and right now I'm in my village, my friends. What is going on, I don't know, but what we call in English, I have no ideas, but we call in Santali. No, I'm not going to speak Santali even single word, because I'm learning this language. So thank you so much, and bye bye, have a take care, namaskar. This is Madhusudan.